In this section, we will learn about panel footprint. There is difference between schematic components and panel footprint. Panel footprint represents physical block of a component. It means that by using footprint, you can insert a block which is similar to the real device. For example, in this drawing, you have panel footprint looks like a real push button, but we have push button symbol such as this stance. I've opened a demo drawing from WD Demo project. To create panel drawings, you can use Icon menu tool. Therefore, in the Panel tab of Ribbon and in the Insert Component Footprints, you can select Icon menu tool. The Insert Footprints dialog box will be displayed. You can choose the components that you need from the list which is displayed on the left side of this dialog box. The first item refers to all panel symbol source which is shown in the right side of the menu. Each component that you select will bring the related panel symbols on the right side of the menu. Now I'm going to choose a symbol, and a new dialog box will be opened which is named Footprint. In the Choice A area, you can see data of a catalog. Also the number and manufacturer which is assigned to this footprint. If you want to change it or to assign a new catalog data, you can use catalog lookup and search for your desired catalog and choose it. In the Choice B area, the shape of footprints can be created manually. You can use generic marker only by choosing this option. Only the marker will be inserted without any graphical shape. In the next option, you can select each particular shape such as a square or circle and polygon. And the last option will make it possible to create a new shape of footprint similar to an existing footprint shape. In this case, because I had selected a push button, so I have to choose a push button here to create a new one that has same graphical information of selected footprint. Now I choose a footprint, and in the next step I have to place it wherever I want. So I click at the location and finally the panel layout edit dialog box will be displayed. Because I don't want to change any specification of this panel, I'll choose OK and this footprint will be inserted. Now I want to back here to Icon menu and select the other push button to draw a shape of my new footprint. Here I choose this one, then in the command line I will be prompted to enter the number of sides. I enter my desired number, then press enter. And in the second part I have to specify the center of polygon, so I click on it. In the next step, I have to enter an option which is inscribed in circle or circumscribed about circle, and as you know, based on your requirements, you can select each one. Now I want to write which stands for the first word of inscribed in circle. And in the last part, I have to specify the radius of my circle. So I do that. Now the panel edit dialog box will be shown, and because I don't want to make any change, I will choose OK. Then my shape will be drawn. To finish this part, I have to insert nameplate of this push button. So I go to icon menu for the second time and then choose the nameplates that I want. In this step, as it is mentioned in the command line, you need to select the exact object. And finally, press enter. The panel edits dialog box will be shown for me. Now I choose OK and my new footprint will be inserted.